Hello students, now today we'll discuss sum number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 1.4 of chapter 1 integers. Okay, so let's begin with question number 4. Now, question number 4 they have given, write 5 pairs of integers a comma b such that a divided by b is equals to minus 3. Okay, this is the relation that you have to show. Now they have given one example in the question itself. 6 divided by minus 2 is equals to minus 3. So this is how you have to provide more 5 pairs. Okay, so let's start with 1. That is example pair number 1. So I will write minus 24 comma 8. So this would be our first pair. How it is possible? See, minus 24 when you divided by 8, that is minus 24 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So your answer is minus 3. So this is your first pair. This way you have to give 4 more pairs. So now minus 15 and 5. This also will give minus 3. How? Minus 15 divided by 5. We can write this in this format also. That is minus 15 divided by 5. That is 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. So your answer is minus 3. Third pair, we'll take it as minus 12 and 4. Isn't it? So minus 12 divided by 4. That is minus 12 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. So your answer is minus 3. Now fourth pair is minus 18 and 6. So minus 18 divided by 6, that would be minus 18 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. The answer is minus 3. And the last pair, I know that most of you knows how to do this now. It could be minus 6 and 2, isn't it? We can take this also. So when minus 6 is divided by 2, what will be the answer? Minus 6 by 2, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, that is answer is minus 3. So there is so many pairs. I've just showed you this 5 pairs. You can take some other pairs also, no problem, but the condition is you should get the answer as minus 3. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 4. Now let's go to question number 5. Okay, now this is question number 5. Now I have just written all the important points from question number 5. Now according to the question, the first sentence, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. That is, at 12 noon the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. The next information that they have given in the question, the temperature decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Okay, so after every hour 2 degrees Celsius will decrease, or it is decreasing, you can say. Now these are the two questions that you have to solve. These are the two questions. At what time temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? That is, at what time temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. So at 12 noon it was 10 degrees Celsius. That is at 12 p.m. Now at what time the temperature would be minus 8 degrees Celsius? This is the first thing that we have to solve. And another thing that we have to solve is the temperature at midnight. So what would be the temperature at midnight? That is 00. That is 12 a.m. you can say. Okay, 12 a.m. So first of all we'll solve the first one. Okay, so how to solve this? This is let's begin with the second part of the question. Okay, so what are the information given in the question? So temperature at 12 noon. So we'll write it down. Temperature at 12 noon, okay, was what? 10 degrees Celsius above 0, isn't it? Because it is in the plus form. So above 0, that would be plus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, this plus sign shows that it is above 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, now at what rate the temperature is decreasing? So we will also write this rate of decrease. So rate of decrease in temperature, rate of decrease in temperature per hour. Okay, per hour is what? 2 degrees Celsius. That, okay. So at what rate the temperature is decreasing? 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Now, what is the second question? Temperature at midnight. So first of all, we have to see how many number of hours is a difference between 12 noon to 12 hours. So we'll write it, number of hours from 12 noon to midnight, isn't it? What is the total difference? NIGST, midnight. That is 12 hours difference is there, isn't it? From 12 noon to 12 midnight. So how many hours gap is there? 12 hours, isn't it? Now, therefore, if the temperature, if the rate of decrease in the temperature per hour is 2 degrees Celsius, then change in temperature in 12 hours would be what? 12 into minus 2 degrees Celsius. Why I have given this minus sign? Because this minus sign shows that it is decreasing. Okay, decreasing. So the number of degrees Celsius it will decrease is 24 degrees Celsius. Minus 24 degrees Celsius it will fall. So the temperature at midnight would be, therefore the temperature at midnight, that would be equals to what? Plus 10 degrees Celsius, because the temperature at 12 noon was what? Plus 10 degrees Celsius. And how much temperature it is decreasing? Minus, that is plus how much temperature it is decreasing? Minus 24 degrees Celsius. So if you solve it, you will get the answer as 10 minus 24, that would be minus 14 degrees Celsius. So the temperature at 12, or you can say at midnight, would be minus 14 degree Celsius. Okay, so you can write this statement. Hence, the temperature, the required temperature at midnight, the required temperature at midnight, that would be equals to minus 14 degree Celsius. Okay, now let's move on to the first part of the question. At what time the temperature would be minus 8 degrees Celsius, or you can say 8 degrees Celsius below zero. So let's solve this. The first thing that we'll see, what is the difference between plus 10 degrees Celsius and minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, what is the difference between the temperature? So first of all, what we write? Difference between temperature, difference in temperature between plus 10 degrees Celsius and 8 degrees Celsius below means minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is a difference that we'll see. So how to find the difference? Plus 10 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius, isn't it? So this is the difference. So that will be 10 degrees Celsius, minus would be plus 8 degrees Celsius, that is 18 degrees Celsius. Fine. So the temperature has to fall 18 degrees Celsius. So to fall 18 degrees Celsius, how many number of hours is required? Now how to do this? Now if the rate of where I've written, if the rate of decrease, fine, if the rate of decrease of temperature is 2 degrees Celsius per hour, so number of hours required to fall 18 degrees Celsius would be, we have to divide this 18 by 2. So we have to write number of hours required. Number of hours required would be 18 degrees Celsius by 2 degrees Celsius. That will give you 9 hours. So 9 hours. It will take 9 hours to reach minus 8 degrees Celsius. So we can conclude the solution as time after 9 hours from 12 noon. From 12 noon, that would be 9 p.m. Okay, if you really calculate what will be the time after 9 hours from 12 noon? That will be 9 p.m. So at 9 p.m. the temperature would be -8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is a solution of question number 5. So now let's move on to question number 6. Now this is a brief description of question number 6. Now they have given that the marks given for each correct answer would be +3. Marks given for each incorrect answer is -2. And if in case somebody is not attempting the question, then for that he will score 0 points. Fine. So this is a brief description. Now they have given 2 characters. One is Radhika and one is Mohini. So we'll solve the first question first. So Radhika. So what they have said about Radhika? Radhika scored 20 marks. Fine. Radhika has scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So what is the total marks obtained? So total marks, the first thing that we'll write is total marks obtained by Radhika is what? Equals to 20. Now marks obtained, because how many correct answers she has given? 12 correct answers. So we'll find out how much marks she has scored from correct answers. So marks obtained by Radhika for 12 correct answer, that would be 12 into 3, isn't it? Because for each correct answer, how much points one will score? +3. So that will be 12 into 3, that is 36, isn't it? Now marks obtained by Radhika for correct answer is 36. Now this we know, and the total marks obtained by Radhika is what? 20. So therefore marks obtained by Radhika, for incorrect answer, incorrect answers, that would be from total point that she has scored, we have to subtract this 36, isn't it? So that would be what? -16. So this is what she has scored from the incorrect answers. Now we have to see that what are the number of sums, that is how many total number of questions she has gone for incorrect answers. Okay, so for that what we have to do? So for each incorrect questions, what is the point that she will score? -2. And what is the point that she has scored? Total marks for incorrect question answer, that is -16. So number of incorrect answers that would be, we have to divide this -16 by -2. So we'll cancel this 2 minus 2 on the 2, 2 8 is 16. That is 8 number of incorrect answers she has given. So we'll conclude the solution as, hence the required number of incorrect answers is equals to 8. So this is the solution of the first part of the question. Now let's move on to the second part, that is about Mohini. Now Mohini scored marks obtained by, so first we'll write all the details that is given. So marks scored by Mohini, marks scored by Mohini, that is -5. Okay, so this is what she has scored. Number of correct answers that she has given, number of correct answer that she has scored is 7. So marks obtained by Mohini, so we have to see how much marks she has scored for this correct answer. So therefore marks obtained by Mohini for 7 correct answers. That would be 7 into 3, isn't it? So that would be 21, isn't it? 21. Now, how much marks obtained by incorrect question then? Obviously, we'll do the same thing. That is marks obtained for incorrect answers is what? That is from the total point that she has scored, we have to subtract this minus 21. Okay, because this is a point that she has scored from 7 correct answer. So rest part will be what? Minus 27. So this is the marks obtained for incorrect answer. That is minus 26. Sorry, not 27. It would be 26. So now we have to find out how many number of incorrect answers she has attempted. Okay, now therefore number of incorrect answers, that would be minus 26 by minus 2, because for each incorrect answers students will score minus 2 points, isn't it? So we'll cancel this 2 minus 2 ones are 2, 2 13s are. So that means number of incorrect answers so Mohini has attempted is 13 questions. Okay, so this is your final answer. So we can conclude this as hence the required number of incorrect answers is 13. Okay, hence the required number of incorrect answers, that would be 13. So this is a solution of sum number 2 of question number 6. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you. God bless you all and take care.